Today, let's walk through my most recent Joann fabric purchases for the fabrics and patterns that I got and what I'm going to make. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today we are going to go through what my most recent Joann fabric purchase was. So I got a bunch of remnants. I really love to get these fleece remnants. They always have them. They work out so great for pet blankets, pet beds, really no-sew projects. You can get almost a yard, almost even more than a yard sometimes. I decided to open up this really cute Mickey Mouse one, and it turned out that it was like a Parisian Minnie Mouse love theme. I think it's really cute and adorable, so I cannot wait to turn that into some sort of pet blanket. And then I got this really pretty green to go along with it, since they also had that on sale. Next, my remnants, I got a bunch of different cotton ones. So I got this really fun 4th of July cotton print. The fireworks are actually almost like painted on, like it's not just the fabric itself. Then I got this green cotton, and it's a little thicker, so I think it's gonna be really great for maybe some mock-ups or 18-inch doll clothes. I did get a little bit of this bathing suit material to try around, play with it. And then finally, I got a really pretty purplish pink floral print. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm excited to get to use all of those. But for this firework one, I think it'd be really pretty for some sort of table runner or maybe a placemat. And I was curious how much was actually going to be on there. As you can see, I struggled a little bit ripping off the tag. And the fabric feels really nice quality. So I am going to go ahead, I'm going to wash it, see what it looks like, and then figure out a way that make sure that I can use it for this 4th of July, as I think it'll be really pretty, maybe even some sort of quilt. I'm not entirely sure, but I want to do something really nice with it since the fireworks are such a nice detail. So next we'll look into more of the patterns I got. So I got this wide leg pant. Now the worst part about it is that I got the wrong size. I was so excited for this pattern, so I'll have to return it and get the correct size, but I've been looking to make some really nice navy wide leg pants for so long, and I think that this is going to be the pattern that I use once I get the right size for it, but it's going to be so pretty and I can't wait to make them. Next, I finally got my jacket pattern I've been looking for. So in case you've been wondering, I have been wanting to make a jacket. I got this fabric from Fabric Mart, and I'm going to use it first to try out with this jacket pattern to see how it fits, but then the most expensive fabric that I've ever gotten. Thank you so much to my mom for buying this for me, but it's this beautiful beaded like twill fabric, and I really want to make a jacket out of it, and if there's any left over, try to make a skirt as well. But we will see how it works. And then I also got the lining for the jacket for this, as it's gonna be so nice. So I will be sure to do videos on both jackets, especially if I use this pattern for the more expensive fabric. I'm just not sure yet exactly what I'm going to do with it. I'm hoping to use this pattern since I already have it, but I'm so excited about all the different things that I found at Joann Fabrics this month. Let me know if you have any ideas for what I should make with all of these. I would love to hear it, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and tell me what you want to see next.